Today I'm going to be unboxing Skillmatics brain games. So this pack comes with six cards. And one certificate. The answer sheet, the Skillmatics pen, and a duster blotter. I lost it. So these are all the components. The first game is think inside the box. You should make the part by adding up numbers. By the time you reach finish, the total sum should be 50. And there are 3 possible paths. The next one is shape shifters. How many shapes can you find in each puzzle? So we have to find how many shapes. This one is brain shake. Look at the equations, find the value of the watermelon slice. So the next one is Sudoku puzzlers. Solve the Sudoku such that the numbers 1 to 8 appear only once in every row, column and box. Next, we have ring-a-ding. Complete the number rings. Start from the number on the top and move in a clockwise direction. So 9 plus 3. So we have to add whatever, but you have to move in this direction. Next one is think outside the box. Join all the 16 dots given below using 8 straight lines without lifting your Skillmatics pen. You cannot draw over the lines again. The complete puzzle must have no openings. The next one is shapes and shadows. Follow the sequence and draw the next shape to complete the sequence in each of the 4 boxes. Next we have match this. Strike out 2 matchsticks and place them elsewhere to make 4 triangles. Make 8 squares by replacing 2 matchsticks and draw just 1 matchstick to balance the equation, and then draw just 1 matchstick to balance the equation. The next one is on a food trail. Follow the fruits and vegetables to go on a food trail. The last letter of each word is the first letter of the next. The next one is number wheel. Arrange numbers 1 to 9 in the wheel such that the sum of 3 numbers diagonally is always 15. The last one is search and find. Find and circle the last card is search and find. Find and circle the objects in the box below. The last activity is this way or that. A maze game. Okay, so these are all the components and things. I lost the dusted cloth, by the way. So bye. Thank you.